Untangle your trading. Too many complications are created by us as traders, and as a result, we spend too much time caught in a tangle. And especially this is true of traders who are suffering, or traders who are in a drawdown, or traders who are not yet profitable. They are caught in a tangle. They are trading too many setups. You need one good setup idea to make money. I have one primary setup which is momentum burst, and there is a supporting setup, episodic pivot, right? If you look at the charts of traders who are caught in a tangle, you cannot even figure out where the price starts and where the chart ends. And if you look at my charts, they are very simple, right? There are no complications on that chart. And the more tangle you create in terms of scans, 30, 40 scans people run. They are looking at so many things. They are looking at following this person, following that person, looking at this particular podcast, looking at this. As a result of that, you create a tangle. And once you are caught in knots and entangle, you have too many scans. You have too many charts, templates. You have too many indicators. Many of the indicators you don't even understand why they are there, right? And many times people come and argue with me about average trading range because they think that is the secret to trading. Now, once you start asking them what is average trading range, and if you are going to be trading a setup where there is an anticipation, will the average trading range be lower or higher? So if you are selecting stocks with high ADR, then what are you going to do? If you are looking for a closed stop, can you select stocks? And is it a forward-looking indicator or is it a backward-looking indicator? And then they just cannot answer because they're caught in a tangle. And this is a simple way, if you want to become profitable, is start untangling your setups, start getting rid of complexity, start getting rid of many of the things which you are doing. Many accounts. In this account, I only do shorts. In this account, I only do ETFs. In this account, I only do options. So you have 4, 5 accounts, right? So you are like the king from the old days where he had a harem full of wives. You have this account, that account, that account, that account, 6 accounts you're handling. Can you do a justice to it? If you're trading 6 setups, can you do a justice to it? If you have 15 positions open, it's again you are created so much tangle around you that you can't even manage one of them. So if you are serious about trading and serious about profitability, stop getting into a tangle and untangle things. Consolidate accounts into one. Consolidate your setups into 1 or 2 ideas. In the morning, simplify your process, very simple thing, because simple things are easy to do. And this untangling is a common thing which you can do to become quickly profitable. If you want to be quickly profitable and you stop trading complex ideas and get into simpler things and simplify your trading. In fact, the human tendency is to create a tangle, right? We create tangles all around us by adding more complexity and more complexity. So every week, find what is the tangle which you have created and untangle things. Get rid of things which are not necessary. Get rid of services which are not necessary. Get rid of indicators which are not necessary. Get rid of chart patterns which are not necessary. Only have 1 or 2 clearly defined processes. And if you can untangle your trading, you will be quickly profitable.